Well, there's breaking news coming in at this hour from the national capital. While Delhi continues to breathe toxic air as the AQI hits the severe mark, the pollution woes have in fact deepened as GRAP 4 has been implemented in the Delhi NCR. Important to understand, the toxic smog has choked the national capital. Remember that the national capital woke up both yesterday as well as today with a thick blanket of smog. The AQI, remember, has hit the severe mark as pollution levels have in fact increased in the national capital. And amid this, GRAP 4 has been implemented in the Delhi NCR. Well, on this, here my colleague Shreya Ghosh joining us on the broadcast. Shreya, walk us through the details. We're understanding that there is a thick layer of smog in the national capital today as well. Yesterday as well, we saw that there was a thick layer of smog. Where exactly does the AQI stand today?
Well, right now I'm reporting from Noida, and let me tell you, yesterday when the overall air quality index, went into the severe category in the NCR region, it was Noida's AQI which was worse than that of Delhi's. The AQI right now has reached the 400 mark, and as you can see, it really feels like you're walking into a dystopian movie because it is completely filled with smog right now. And I'm joined by someone who has been living in Noida for very many years, and it is very surprising for him as well that how come Noida's pollution crisis is so much as compared to Delhi, because here there are no major dust pollution. But आपको सर क्या लगता है कि major source of pollution नोएडा में कहाँ से आ रहा है?
एक तो अभी यहाँ पर जो कंस्ट्रक्शन है उसका भी आ रहा है, गाड़ी का पॉल्यूशन है उसका भी आता है। उस मेन चीज़ होती है सुबह के टाइम, तो हमको सुबह के टाइम लेट आता हूँ इसलिए सुबह पॉल्यूशन ज़्यादा होता है और नाक में और गले में खास हो जाती है, आँखों में पानी आ जाता है और दिक्कत होती है सुबह के टाइम, खास तौर से रात को तो 6 बजे आप खास देख रहे हैं आप फॉग पड़ना शुरू हो जाता है।
जी बिल्कुल. So what he's trying to say is that there are several nooks and corners in Noida where construction activity is continuing unabated. We understand that the GRAP 4, which is the strictest anti-pollution measures, have been implemented on paper, but in reality we see every year enforcement remains a main challenge. And as per the GRAP 4 measures, we understand that all non-essential construction and demolition activities are banned. The trucks coming from neighboring states into Delhi are also banned from entering. Apart from that, the private offices will be limiting their staff to 50% within their office, and the others will be doing work from home. And several schools have also made sure that there is hybrid classes, because we understand that it is the elderly and the children who are most affected by this toxic air. As you can see, the visibility has reduced drastically, and it is quite shocking to see that Noida, where we usually don't see as much traffic congestion or dust pollution, here in several areas the unabated, unchecked construction activities and unchecked industrial pollution is contributing to this.
Right, absolutely.
Huge
you rightly mentioned that of course the GRAP 4 has been implemented, and of course the implementation has to be followed throughout, otherwise the situation will persist. Thank you so much for joining us and sharing those details with us. While tracking more on this story at this hour, in fact, what's important to understand that with air pollution choking the national capital and air quality index nearing the severe plus mark, the authorities on Saturday invoked the stage 4 restrictions across Delhi NCR, with the air quality crossing the severe mark, one of the most stringent set of anti-pollution emergency measures. And in fact, they've even asked all agencies in the national capital region to ensure that the situation does not deteriorate further. Remember that the GRAP 4 has been implemented. Now, actions under the GRAP 4 will entail conducting most of the classes in schools in hybrid or online modes, complete halt of construction activities like my colleague was mentioning, and even a ban on the movement of heavy truck traffic, among others. Important to understand that keeping in view the prevailing trend of air quality and to prevent further deterioration of air quality, the CAQM has decided to invoke all actions against the stage 4 of the GRAP with immediate effect in the entire Delhi NCR region. While my colleague Tanishka brings us more on this, take a look.
After the city recorded the worst AQI index of the season yesterday, reaching the 400 plus level categories, that is the severe plus category or the hazardous category. Of course, GRAP 4 measures have been invoked in the national capital. I'm currently standing at India Gate, where behind me you can barely see the gate amidst all the smog. As we speak, the AQI index of this area is that of 460 category, which is in the severe severe plus category. 39 of the 40 active monitoring stations across Delhi NCR right now are recording an AQI index of severe plus or hazardous category, and stations like Anand Vihar, Ashok Vihar, Bhawana, Delhi Technological University, Jahangir Puri, Munka, Narela, Vivek Vihar, Wazirpur are touching 500 air quality index levels. जैसे अभी हम जब बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर 460 AQI है अभी यहाँ पर, फिर yes, फिर भी यू प्रेफर साइकिलिंग आना अपनी सुबह सुबह इस स्मॉग में?
मैम एक्चुअली मैं 16 ईयर्स से साइकिलिंग कर रहा हूँ, और जब दिल्ली में 150 क्रॉस होता था उस वक्त यहाँ पे गेस 3 गेस 4 लग जाता था, और आज 400 प्लस AQI है, तो वो रुका नहीं जाता, वो अंदर से आ जाती जाना ही है.
However, one must note that, as you can also clearly see around me, the environment and the skies are blanketed in a thick layer of smog, and the AQI levels are dangerously high with the GRAP 4 being invoked. With camera person Mukesh, this is Tanushka Datta for NDTV.